That must be it. And now we hit the road. Hello ladies and gentlemen. 4th of July fireworks over here in East Branch, New York. Sitting on the side of the road. There's a bunch of people behind me. Beautiful. That must be it. And now we hit the road. Timed it perfectly. Now that all the fucking animals are awake, gotta make sure I keep my eyes open. Perfect getaway. The reason I took off so fast is because, oh no, son of a bitch. This person is going to have to pass him. I don't want to go too fast, but also don't want to be behind that car. Gotta make sure there's no animals, because that would be tragic. My headlight is pointing up a little bit. I adjusted it recently and going a bit too quick for the, not for the road, but for the time. Because I bet the fireworks woke up all the fucking deer. essential over here. Over here. This is where they cross all the fucking time. Savages. Otherwise I'd fucking cook it through here. It's such a smooth area with elevation changes. Over here they cross. This area here. I mean, I guess they can cross anywhere, but here they like it for some reason. Perfectly cool right now. Temperature is exquisite. It's funny, I keep wanting to point out areas where I've seen deer, and now I'm realizing I've seen deer everywhere here. This is usually where, after this turn right here, I start winding on the power. But I can't see a goddamn thing, so I'm going to be gentle. This section here, this part of Mexico, I've hit probably about 90 to 100. Right now I'm going a steady 41. Thanks for coming on this little ride with me. I didn't say much, but those who don't get to ride these roads at night, look how pitch black it is. Just nothing around. Gotta have faith. Blind turn over here, but I see lights. Somebody was coming. Ladies and gents, I shall talk to you soon enough.